What about seed? What do you plant and why do you plant it?
Pioneer. We plant Pioneer 100%. Biggest reason, I always ask you this question when as I grew up. I was like, why do we plant 100% Pioneer? There's really not a whole lot of difference between all of them, but every time somebody comes to the house and tries to sell us on other seed, they always compare their numbers to Pioneer. And the service has always been good to us. The people that we get our seed from, the dealer we get our seed from, they've always been great. They've always been phenomenal. They've never given us a reason to not go with them. Maybe we're losing out on not trying another company or seeing a different direction, but our yields have gone up year after year, and everybody else compares their numbers to Pioneer when they come over and try to sell it.